Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the under this video you can see I can share this video. Bro, I meet a problem. What problem? I don't know. But I want to tell you. My play and chat kit for my Xbox One wireless controller not working, not charging. I don't know why, but I want to show you this right now. And if you have an answer, give me your answer under this video. Okay, let me show you right now. Follow me. As you can see, this is not a joke, it's real. All of this box in front of you, wow, for gaming. And you can see Xbox One controller here and Xbox One S controller here. There are Bluetooth on this device, okay? But I am not here to talking about this. I'm here to talk about this guy here. Play and charge kit, bro. I don't know why it's not working. If you want a test, get ready right now. Okay? Let's do it. Okay, get ready. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Play and charge kit. Wow, as you can see, Xbox, all of this. Okay, beautiful. I bought this yesterday. Now I want to open. Look at inside. As you can see, it's not a joke. Beautiful. You have the USB, okay, USB cable, and your beautiful your beautiful battery is here. Okay, can you see this? Nice. Now let me take this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at, I bought this yesterday, but it's not working, it's not charging. I don't know why. Where is the problem? I don't know. Look at, can you see something? I don't know, bro. And I want to test again with you, with all of this both beautiful controller. Okay, let's do this together. Put this inside and close. Okay, nice, thank you. Now, do you want that I test by who? This or this guy for the test? I don't know, bro, but I want to tell you, get ready because it's amazing. Thank you. Get ready for that. Nice. Let's start by this guy. Unboxing right now with you. Get ready. Open and take your beautiful controller. This is Xbox One original controller. This is not a joke. It's nice, beautiful, no problem with this. It's amazing. Thank you. And beautiful. Okay, can turn. Wonderful. Now let's test this beautiful battery right now to see if it's working. To do this, you need to remove this. Okay, remove this and look at into. Okay, and look at this. Look at that. You need to put this into just like that. Okay, 1 2 3. Wonderful. Now it's done. Beautiful. Let's close. Get ready. What are you doing? Thank you. Now it's working. As you can see, it's inside. Alright, now to see if it's working, you need to press this button, okay, for 3 seconds. Let's do it together. Let's go. Look at. Nothing. No answer. Maybe this battery is discharged, but I don't know how to charge this. I use my computer to charge this, and a charger, but it's the same answer. I don't know. What can I do now? Can I play and charge together? I don't know. I will try this after, but right now, as you can see, it's not working. Wow, crazy. Okay, let's remove this. Wonderful. Remove. Put your finger here to do this. Now, remove easily. Thank you. Let's close this guy. Thank you. Now, let's go to test with this beautiful, brand new, amazing, and Bluetooth controller. This is a wireless controller. This is Minecraft Pig edition. This is limited edition. I bought this yesterday, and right now I'm ready to test to see if it's working. Okay, 2 controllers to test to see if it's working. Bro, get ready for that. Look at more information about this controller. Now get ready for the unboxing. Okay, wonderful. Open and look inside. Your beautiful controller is here for you. Wonderful. I need only this controller. Now close all of this and get ready. Alright, this is my brand new controller. I bought this yesterday. I bought this. Look at. Nice. Look at that. Very, very crazy. Look at. So much different than the previous controller. Okay, this is from Xbox One S, or it was One X, I don't know, but is here. Look at, there are Bluetooth inside into. It's so different than the previous version. As you can see, all of these are here and are ready to the test. Okay, now let's test the next controller. Great, wonderful. Okay, look at here. Beautiful. Remove this cover. Okay, there are batteries inside. Alright, remove also this and get ready. Look inside. The same things here, the same thing here to charge. And now take your beautiful battery, a beautiful Xbox battery, put this inside also. Okay, and wonderful. Press. God, you don't need press. Look at. Wonderful. Now put your beautiful cover into. Okay, let me do this. What are you doing? Okay, one done. Now it's done. Wonderful. Okay, now let's test also this to see if this battery will working. Okay, get ready for that. Wonderful. Now press this button. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. As you can see, no Answer also. Nothing. It is not working. I don't know why. Maybe this battery is not original. I don't know. I bought this yesterday. As you can see, the box is here. Let's see the cable. Open. Wonderful. Let's see the cable. As you can see, look at this cable. It's so much different than what you can see on this beautiful box. Look at that. Look at the difference here. Look at the difference. How is possible? Here there are something to see if you charge it or discharge it. When it is not charging, you can see here is red. When you charge it now, you become green like that, or red or blue, something like that. But look at nothing on this beautiful thing. Nothing here. Nothing. How is possible? So much difference. I feel that there's something wrong with this guy. But I bought this. I don't know if I need to return this or no. But I decided to buy online another battery. Okay, this is now a dock battery for my beautiful Xbox One S and Xbox One controller. Okay, wireless controller. When it's coming, I will make another video to show you. If you want to see this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and get ready for that. Okay, what is wrong with you? Crazy. Goodbye. Say goodbye. And let's test again. Nothing. Okay, let me remove this cover right now and remove this like that. Do the same action. Okay, and it's done. Very good, beautiful, nice. All right, now let's test another thing to see if it's working. Look at. Okay, let me put this in two. Look at that. Wonderful, like that. Okay, and look at that. Turn like that and put this inside like that and close. Now look at what can you do now. This is simple. Press this button if it's working. Okay, now it's working. Okay, this is working. Now let's turn off this and let's remove and test on the preview controller to see if it's working. Get ready for that. All right, come here please. And what can you do? Remove this thing. Look at that. Do a selection. What? Look at floating into. What can you do? This is simple. Let me take something like what? Like this key and increase the size of this guy. Okay, like that. Okay, and like that. Thank you. Again, let's test to see. Put this into. Okay, let's increase again. Let's do this. Okay, now look at his size. Wonderful. Now when we want to put, look at, wonderful. You need to do this. Okay, no move. Now take this, turn, put this like that, and close. Now what can you do? You need to press also this button, and it's working. How is possible? Maybe there a problem with this battery. Maybe it's not charged. I try what I need to do, charging with my computer and Samsung charger, but not working. I have not Xbox One console. I don't know what to do with now. I decided to buy another a dual dock charging. It will coming soon. I will make another video to show you. Thank you. Okay, still working. Thank you for watching. I also want you like this video, and you like also my brand new controllers. Wow, so beautiful. Fake barrier or not, I will think a solution a day. Thank you. I love you all, bro. You are so nice today. Thank you for watching. Look at. Wow. Beautiful. What is face? Crazy.